Hi guys, and in this lecture we're going to start talking about the locative case in Hebrew. So what is the locative case? The locative case is usually related to location. Either we're somewhere, either we're heading somewhere, either something or someone is coming from somewhere. So we're going to discuss what question words do we use when we want to answer a question. Where, to where, or from where, a place, and that concept can also be a person. So something can be from person, something can be from a person, something can go to a person, or a person can have something. So let's get started. So first of all, we have the question word efo in Hebrew, which is where. And the preposition that answers this question is always the preposition be. So this is when we are somewhere already, okay? So we do remember that we covered the question word efo, and when we're asking efo ata, a person usually would reply ani babait, ani betel aviv, etc. So we're using for that the ba preposition. It answers the question efo. The next question word that we learned also was the question word le'an. Le'an in Hebrew is to where, to which direction, and this verb will be used when we are going to use direction verbs. For instance, linsoa, to drive, lalechet, to go or to walk, and also likanes, to enter somewhere. And the preposition that answers this question is le. And this is when we are heading somewhere. Another question word is the question word me'efo in Hebrew, from where. And the preposition that answers the question from where is the preposition me. So it means from a particular place. So when we're talking about a place, we have three question words. The first one is efo, and the preposition that answers the question is be. It means we're already somewhere. Le'an is where are you heading, to where, to which direction. And the preposition that answers the question le'an is the preposition le. And we also have the question word me'efo, which means from where, and the preposition that answers the question me'efo is the preposition me. Excellent. So this is the concept of the question words and the preposition of the locative case when we're talking about a place. The same concept takes place in Hebrew also when we are talking about a person. So let's see, what do we have when we're talking about a person? So in Hebrew, we have the question word etzel mi. Etzel mi, it means at who, and the preposition that answers the question etzel mi obviously is the preposition etzel. Etzel answers the question who has something, who's in a possession of something, or literally it will be at who. So it means that something or someone can be at a person. So for example, efo ata, where are you? Or we can also ask the question etzel mi ata, it means at whose place are you? And the answer will be ani etzel Yossi. I'm at Yossi's. It means I'm at Yossi's place. It means that my location is Yossi. So this is what etzel means. So the concept of where can be also a place or a person. So in that case, the person is in a possession of someone or something. Or simply, my location is a person. Efo ata, etzel mi ata, if we want to ask a question that is more specific, who are you at? And we're answering the question, ani etzel Yossi, ani etzel Michal, etc. So also, this concept takes place when we're heading to someone. And the question word will be el mi, to who, el mi. So when we're asking where are you going, we'll use the question word le'an. If we're asking a person specifically to who are you going, we'll use the question word el mi. Well, it's more of a combination of the preposition el and the question word mi. And the preposition that answers this question will be the preposition el. So far we have etzel mi. It means at who are you right now? And also we have the preposition el, which answers the question to who are you going? And also we have the question word mimi, from who. So it can either mean from who are you coming or from who is this present, etc. And obviously the preposition that will answer the question will be the same preposition like in the previous locative case when we were talking about a physical location, me. So far what do we have? We have a locative case that can answer the questions إيفو لأن and me إيفو. This is more specifically when we're talking about a physical place. And we have the locative case when the location can be a person. أتسل me, at who, el me, to who, and me. So that's it for this introduction. Once we're going to exercise with each one of them, it's going to settle down in our brains a little bit better. So that's it for this lecture. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.